everyone, my name is Miss Belcher, and in this screencast I will share with you my mock classroom website project that I created for my educational technology course. The goal for this project was to envision ourselves as a teacher and to make our very own classroom website that would be used by students and parents or caregivers. I used the Screencast software to complete the screencast. I also made my website using Google Sites. As you can see, there are several components to my website, and let's name them. We have Home, About Me, which has contact information. Here's the Student Corner, which has our daily schedule, assignments, and materials. The Parent Corner, which has newsletter, important dates, and frequently asked questions. We have the classroom projects, quick links, and the school website. So here is the home page. This is an overview of the entire website. Here is my About Me page. And this is where you can meet the teacher. I list my hobbies and where I went to school. Here's a picture of me, and this is where I work over the summer. You can click right on contact information, and here I have all the contact information. I have my number and the school's number. Here's the Student Corner, and this is where we can click our daily schedule, which has Monday gym, Tuesday art, Wednesday music, Thursday gym, Friday computer lab, and that's just our schedule for the week. Here is our assignments, and I will post long-term assignments and reading logs, as well as our math workbooks. For worksheets for the week, I set them up as QR codes so that parents can scan them with their phones or tablets so that it will come up in a new tab so that they can get our worksheets. And here I list our class materials, and I just list them here. And then for the Parent Corner, this is the home page for our Parent Corner. And then we can click on Newsletter. This is the one for December. I update this page monthly with each newsletter. Here's our important dates. For example, Tuesday, December 8th, we have a math quiz. And this is just where we have all of the dates. And then here are some frequently asked questions that I often get. If you have any more questions, you can contact me through this contact information tab. Here are our classroom projects. We have a geography project of where in the world am I. Figure Me Out project, we use equations to figure out our ages and different things about ourselves. And here's a Blabberize project. Here are some quick links. For example, we can click on Splash Math, and it will come up with different grades that we can click on. For example, first grade, and then we have different content areas that we can click on for different questions. We can use it for quizzes or tests. And then here is our school website. And I have a picture of our school. And then here is a hyperlink for our school website. So we can click here. And then that is our website for our school. Okay. So we go back, and that's it. Thank you for looking through my mock website with me, and I really enjoyed making this site.